Welcome to Raisins.live, your all-in-one platform for experimental data analysis. To get started, tap Statistical Genetics and choose Path Analysis RBD. Tap Get Started to reach the login page, then enter your email and password to sign in. Once you're in, go to the Analysis tab. Click Browse to upload your data file. After uploading the file, you need to select the treatment or genotype column. Next, select the replication or blocks column. Next comes the dependent variable column, and then select the independent variables column. Click Run Analysis to generate your results. You can download the output in Word, PDF, or HTML formats. In the Path Analysis tab, you will get both genotypic and phenotypic path diagrams. All diagrams are fully customizable. You can customize them according to your needs. For presentation-ready visuals, head to the Plots tab to create Genotypic Correlation Heat Map, Phenotypic Correlation Heat Map. All plots are fully customizable. You can customize them according to your needs. In the AI Interpretation tab, Raisins Assistant provides clear and insightful summaries of your data. If you have any doubts, click FAQs, get started with Raisins.live and make your data speak.